I had a really successful career, and I was in a crossroads of trying to start again, and I really wanted to move into that new path with confidence. I felt really alone, and I also felt really of little value because I had always been told and believed that my value was really tied to the work that I did and how I showed up for people. First time around was amazing because I really enjoyed being in community to have these conversations and to understand what was happening for other women. But I also really enjoyed the structure of learning the different lessons every week. And I particularly think of articulating your value and getting clear. Those were two that were really big for me to think about, getting really clear and then doing that research of articulating your value, which I think is so important because it's like, as you say, it's like gathering that evidence of what you have achieved or what your capacity is and what you are able to bring to the table. I own this set of experiences and capacities and capabilities, and it has value. The other thing that was really big is understanding that there is no magic bullet, and you're not going to come along and listen to the lectures and suddenly be healed, that you have to do the work, in that, that building confidence is about doing the things. It's an action sport. It's not theoretical. I think women need to come and do this work, even to just understand the soup that they're swimming in, so that they can start to order a different soup, so that they can start to reject the thoughts and feelings and beliefs that are limiting their capacity to live the ways that they want to live. So it's just very fundamentally educational on what has happened to you as a woman in your life, so that you can start to shift the choices that you make to live the life that you want to. My self-talk is so much better. I'm a lot kinder to myself, but I also do the hard things. So whereas, I definitely still avoid some tasks until I get my courage up or whatever, but I just am kind of, I guess, a little bit more open to failure or to rejection, into knowing that, I love that little diagram that you do, that you take an action and then you get some feedback and then you take a new action. Whereas I would often get stuck in not taking the action, so I never got the feedback, so I never got to take a new action. So I had this little bit of a mantra of failing fast. So I need to get moving and do these things so I know right now if they're going to work or not, because I have somewhere to be and I can't stay stuck here.